7 Natural and Home Remedies of Insomnia. 1. Yoga. Yoga possesses a positive effect on sleep quality. Yoga improves physical functioning, boosts mental focus, and also reduces stress. Choose a method that focuses more on moving meditation or breath work against difficult physical movements. Slow, controlled movements allow you to remain present and focused. Yin and restorative yoga are great options. Try to do longer sessions and a minimum of 15 to 20 minutes daily. Performing the postures before bed can assist you to relax your body and mind. If you do not feel comfortable in any pose, try not to force, as it can result in injury. It's important to try to do what feels good for you and your body, which varies from person to person. 2. Exercise. Exercise plays an important role in boosting overall health. It can help in weight loss, enhance your mood, and promote better sleep. Participants during 2015 exercised for a minimum of 150 minutes per week for 6 months. During this time, researchers found that all the participants experienced significantly fewer symptoms of insomnia. And also the symptoms of anxiety and depression reduced significantly. To receive all these benefits, you should do exercise a minimum of 20 to 30 minutes per day. You can include aerobic exercises a few times per week. Find the time of day that most accurately fits your needs, which has the foremost positive effect on your sleep. 3. Mindfulness meditation. Meditation that consists of slow, steady breathing while sitting quietly is known as mindfulness meditation. You observe breath, feelings, thoughts, body, and sensations as they arise and pass. Mindfulness meditation promotes good sleep because it has many health benefits that go hand in hand with a healthy lifestyle. It improves concentration, boosts immunity, and reduces stress. Researchers during a 2011 study found that meditation significantly improved insomnia and overall sleep patterns. All the participants attended a weekly meditation class and also practiced for a few months at their home. You can meditate as long as you can or as often as you wish. If you don't have time for an extended session, aim to try for 15 to 20 minutes in the morning or evening. Consider joining a meditation group once every week to remain motivated. Or you can choose an online meditation, link in description. Meditation is safe to practice, but if you are feeling any kind of problem, then discontinue the practice. 4. Repetition of mantra. Repeating a particular mantra repeatedly can help focus and calm your mind. Mantras can produce feelings of relaxation by quieting the mind. Researchers during a 2015 study taught women who are homeless to repeat a mantra silently throughout the day and before sleeping. All the participants who continued to use the mantra over the course of a few weeks find it helpful and experienced reduced levels of insomnia. You may choose a mantra in any language in which you are comfortable. You can search online for ideas or create one that feels right for you. Choose a mantra that you simply find pleasant and calming. It should be an easy, positive statement within the present. An honest mantra will allow you to repeatedly specialize in the repetition of sound, which can enable you to relax and help in sleep. Chant the mantra mentally or aloud, keeping your specialize in the words. Gently bring your mind back to the mantra whenever it wanders. You'll also play music with chanting. Be happy to recite your mantra as often as you wish. You would possibly choose another mantra to use within the daytime. If you are feeling some kind of problem, stop the practice. 5. Massage. Researchers during a 2015 study found massage therapy is beneficial to people suffering from insomnia by improving daytime dysfunction and sleep quality. It's going to reduce anxiety and depression. If you cannot go for a professional massage, then you can do self-massage. It is best if you have a partner or a friend who can give you a massage. While massage is usually safe, ask your doctor if you've got any specific health concerns that will impede the advantages. 6. Melatonin. Melatonin can assist you to nod off more quickly and enhance the standard of your sleep. Researchers during a 2016 study found melatonin significantly improves sleep patterns in people with cancer and insomnia. The sleep quality of all participants was improved even more after 14 days. Take 1 to 5 mg half hour to 2 hours before getting to sleep. While starting this medication, start with the lower dose, as higher doses may cause some side effects like dizziness, irritability, depression, headaches, stomach cramps. Consult your doctor before taking melatonin. 7. Magnesium. Magnesium is a very important and naturally occurring mineral. It can help your muscles to relax and relieve stress, which will encourage healthy sleep patterns. Participants during 2012 study took 500 mg/mg of magnesium daily for 2 months. During this time, researchers found that the symptoms of insomnia reduced to a great extent of all participants who took 500 mg of magnesium daily, and their sleep patterns also improved. Men may take up to 400 mg daily, and ladies can take up to 300 mg daily. You'll prefer to divide your doses between the morning and evening, or take your dose before bed. Side effects include stomach and intestinal issues. You'll wish to start out with a lower dose and gradually increase to ascertain how your body reacts. Ask your doctor if you're taking any medications to work out potential interactions. You shouldn't take magnesium supplements constantly. After every 2 weeks, take a break for few days, then restart. Take only the recommended dose mentioned in the product. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share this video.